spectacular sunset at Rumi's cottage in Old Junga Palace. This is after a massive cloudbursts all day, very heavy rain. The sun has emerged. Spectacular. This is the sunset over the ancient Tara Devi Mandir, which is on the highest peak in this region. Amazing. Earlier today, the clouds came into our yard. We had a cloudburst right in our garden, in our yard. As the clouds drifted into our room, it was very moist right inside the house as the clouds came in. And here is the sun emerging after a day when it rained non-stop from morning. Massive cloudbursts all day long, and then the sun finally emerges. Spectacular clouds. It's still very misty in the distance. The mist is here. It's just not even 50 feet visibility in this direction, but here you have 93 million miles of visibility to the sun, and here not even 50 feet of visibility in this direction when it is so moist and cloudy. That is the sun that has just emerged after days of heavy downpour. And here is again the mist and the clouds coming in. The clouds and the mist all over on all sides, except one, when that is the sunset. Spectacularly beautiful. As the sun comes in over Old Junga, as the clouds and the mist comes in, you have zero visibility. Amazing. Here is the clouds coming in all the way in. This is Rumi's cottage, which is more than 400 years old. At least 400 years old, if not much older. All this is refurbished. The original structure is at least 400 years old. And the sun has gone down behind the Tara Devi Mandir.